Hi, I'm Kiki. I know how to make quite a few tasty snacks. Hello, do you need my help in making some snacks?
Hello, I would like to buy many tasty snacks.
No problem, I'll make it for you right now. There are so many snacks. Roasted seaweed sandwich. First, we need to wash the seaweed clean. Pull down on the handle to lay the chopped seaweed onto the bamboo tray. The chopped seaweed turns into the roasted seaweed after the dry heat is applied. And then toast for a short time again with this machine. Once ready, the roasted seaweed has to be packed. Wow, the snack is ready for eating.
This is for you.
Thank you. Goodbye. Wow, new ingredients. Now we can make even more tasty snacks.
Whoa, whoa.